Okay, students, in this video, let me explain some important points regarding the functions. This is also like introductory part to the functions exercise 1.3 only, but it's very easy only. But they might ask in 1 mark. If you draw the diagram, these are very easy. Let A and B be two sets with M and N elements. That means set A la வந்து M elements இருக்கு, set B la வந்து N elements இருக்கு. Then these six points you must remember. Okay, first one, there is no one-to-one function from A and B if M greater than N. So what is the meaning of this one? If the number of elements in A set is greater than the number of elements in B set, then you cannot frame one-to-one function. It's not at all possible. For example, if you see this one, you see here, this is A set containing 1, 2, 3. This is B set containing x, y. Suppose here 3 elements are there, M is 3. This is in B set 2 elements are there. How will you frame one-to-one function? It's not at all possible. For example, 1 is mapped with x, 2 is mapped with y. Where is the map for 3? Where is the image for 3? It's not at all possible. So whenever M is greater than N, that means the number of elements in A set greater than number of elements in B set, we cannot frame the one-to-one function. Okay, students, that much simple. Now second one you listen. If there is a one-to-one function from A to B, then M must be less than or equal to N. Okay, that means if you want to frame one-to-one function, M set la A set la irukadhu M number of elements like M, it should be less than or equal to number of elements in B set. Okay, so what is the meaning of this one? Less than or equal to mean, this is the meaning. See here, I am explaining this one. See, M is less than N. For example, A la வந்து 2 elements இருக்கு, A, B. B la வந்து 3 elements இருக்கு, X, Y, Z. And then I can frame the one-to-one function. How? See, A is mapped with X, B is mapped with Y. Anyway, Z is left unmapped, that is codomain. But one-to-one only, this is one-to-one only, no? So this is one case, then we can frame one-to-one function. Another case is what? Equal. For example, A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So A is mapped with X, B is mapped with Z, C is mapped with Y. So this is possible. So this is your second case. This is your second case. When M is less than or equal to N, then you can frame one-to-one function from set A to set B. Okay, students? Okay. Third one. Now we'll see the third one now. Third point. Very important point, but easy point. There is no one-to-one function from A to B. Sorry, there is no on-to function from A to B if M is less than N. So what's the meaning of this one? If number of elements in A set is less than number of elements in B set, you cannot frame an on-to function from A to B. Okay. So here we'll see that example also by drawing some diagram. See here, M is less than N. For example, A contains 2 elements, B is 3 elements. So how will you frame this as an onto function? For example, I mapped 1 with X, even 2 with X also. This is a function. It is a function. But Y, Z are left unmatched. So it is not onto function. For example, 2 to Y, Z is left unmatched. So it is not onto function. You understand? So when M is less than N, it is not onto function. Okay. Similarly, M is greater than N, there is no one-to-one function. Okay. With simple examples, we can tell very easily. Okay, students. Now, fourth point. What is the fourth point? If there is an onto function from A to B, then M is greater than or equal to N. That means M should be greater than or equal to N. Equal irukala A set la B set, otherwise adhigama irukala A set la irukra elements B oda adhigama irukala. Then in that case, there is an onto function. Kandipa onto function agum adi. Okay, adukku or example we will see. Okay, students. Now you see here, M is greater than or equal to N. Here it is equal to, I took first A, B, C, 3 elements, 1, 2, 3, 3 elements. So M is equal to N. So in this case, I can frame onto function. Okay, for example, A to B1, C3. So it is onto function because every element has pre-image. Okay. Now even now also I can frame the onto function like this. It's onto function. Okay. So many criteria will come. So many examples might you can frame. But the condition is m should be greater than or equal to n. That is the main condition. Then it becomes an onto function from A to B. But m is less than n means it is not possible. That's what we saw previous case. Okay. So now what is the fifth point? Fifth case we will see now. Now fifth case. There is a bijection from A to B if and only if m is equal to n. This is very important point. Even we saw in exercise also. There is a bijection from A to B if and only if m is equal to n. What is the meaning of bijection? Both 1 to 1 and onto. So if the number of elements in set A and set B are equal, then only it is bijection. Okay. Otherwise it is not a bijection. Some examples also we saw in exercise problems also. Now that case I will explain here, students. See here. M is equal to n. For example, 1, 2, 3, x, y, z. So m is equal to n. 3 elements, 3 elements. So 1 is mapped with x, 3 is mapped with z, 2 is mapped with y. So it is 1 to 1 as well as onto. Why 1 to 1? Every element in domain is mapped with only one element in codomain. So it is 1 to 1. Why it is onto? Every element in codomain possesses some pre-images in domain. So it is onto. So very simple. If m is equal to n, just remember it is a bijection. We can frame the bijection. Both 1 to 1 and onto. So last case. What is the last case? There is no bijection. So there is no bijection from A to B if and only if m is not equal to n. That means number of elements in set A is not equal to number of elements in set B. Okay. So for example, you see this diagram. 1, 2 are present in set A, x, y, z set B. So is it possible to make the onto bijection? 1 to 1 then how will you get the bijection? You understand or not? So it is not at all possible. For example, I make like this. What about this element z? It is not onto. Anyway, it is 1 to 1, but onto kadiyadu. You understand? So there's so many examples like this you can frame. So these 6 conditions are very important, students. They might ask in 1 mark also. Okay. So one more time I will revise all the 6 conditions. I will tell easy way to remember. Okay. First, there is no 1 to 1 function from A to B when m is greater than n. There is no onto function from A to B when m is less than n. So these 2 cases. 1 to 1 function எப்போ வராது? Number of elements in set A should be greater than number of elements in set B வராது. There is no onto function opposite. Number of elements in set A less than number of elements in set B. Those 2 cases finished. If there is a 1 to 1 function from A to B, then m is less than or equal to n. m ஓட value n ஓட கம்மியா இருக்கணும். Other 2 cases we saw in the diagram. In the diagram also I explained these 2 cases. Okay. These 2 cases I explained. Okay. Next, there is an onto function, 4th one, from A to B when m is greater than or equal to n. So remember, students, less than or equal to n means 1 to 1 function. Greater than or equal to n means onto function. Onto function. Okay. So 4 cases. Next, bijection, not bijection. எப்போ இது bijection ஆயிருக்கும்? When m is equal to n. m is equal to n means what? Number of elements. 5th case. There is a bijection from A to B if and only if m is equal to n. Number of elements in set A should be equal to number of elements in set B. Then it is a, you can frame bijection. Both 1 to 1 and on to 1 you can frame. But if not equal means it's not possible to frame 1 to 1 and on to at the same time. That means there is no bijection. Okay. So these 2 cases are very simple. So totally you should remember equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These 6 cases you must remember clearly. Okay. So they might ask in 1 mark. They can frame the lot of 1 mark like this. Even exercise also we saw 2 sums like this. Okay, student. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Okay, students. Bye.